Feeling stuck in your business decisions? Not sure what's working, what's not, or where you're heading? You need just one tool, and it's called a SWOT analysis sheet. In this video, you will learn how to perform SWOT analysis and create a SWOT analysis sheet. Step 1. Strengths. Know what you're good at. Let's start with the first quadrant, strengths. These are your internal superpowers, the things you already do well. Ask yourself, what is your unique selling proposition? What do your customers love most about your business? What resources do you have that others lack? Think about the skills your team excels at, your brand's reputation, or any proprietary technology you've developed. Do you enjoy a loyal customer base, a strong financial position, or low employee turnover? Are you confident in the quality of your product or service? These are your building blocks. Identifying them clearly helps you double down on what already works. Step 2. Weaknesses. Face the facts. Next, let's be honest about the weaknesses. Internal challenges holding you back. What do your customers complain about the most? Are you stuck with outdated technology? Is your team struggling with high turnover or low morale? Are you invisible online due to a poor digital presence? Perhaps your product line is too limited, or your brand image feels weak. Financially, are there cash flow issues or high debts? Maybe you lack strategic partnerships, or your internal processes are insufficient. Some businesses are overly dependent on a single customer or market, a big risk. Acknowledging these weaknesses isn't a failure. It's the first step to fixing them. Step 3. Opportunities. Spot the growth. Now let's look outward to find opportunities. These are external factors that can lead to growth and success. Could you expand into new markets? Are there emerging trends you can take advantage of? Look for unmet customer needs and see if new technologies can improve your efficiency. Check for government incentives and evaluate potential partnerships or collaborations. Is there a chance for digital expansion or product diversification? Are your competitors leaving a gap in the market you can fill? Can you improve the customer experience to gain an edge? Every opportunity is a doorway. Your job is to step through it before your competition does. And step 4. Threats. Prepare for what's coming. Finally, let's talk about threats, the external risks that could hurt your progress. Are your competitors doing things better than you? Are new players entering the market and shaking things up? Are there upcoming regulations or legal changes that could affect your operations? Rising operational costs or inflation may eat into your profits. Supply chain issues or economic downturns can't be ignored. There are also cybersecurity risks, shifts in customer behavior, and potential negative publicity that could damage your reputation. And don't forget the threat of being left behind by technological disruption. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.